My name is Wesley. I'll be talking about Primark, the history about Primark. Primark was founded in Dublin 1969 as Pennies and began trading in the UK in 1973. It now has 156 stores in the UK and 70 overseas. Currently, employs over 36,000 and also contribute more than 700,000 workers across the 3 continents. Primark saw 5% growth in profit, resulting in about 2.7 billion, while operating profit hit 341 million, but expected margin to fall over the next half year due to rising price of cotton and January VAT rise. The recession has boosted Primark coffers, but questions has been raised about the ethical issues facing the organization in regards to the treatment of workers and child labor issues. Although BBC recently had to apologize for a program that purported to show child workers making it clothes, however, the company has responded to the public concerns by introducing code of conduct, such as abolishment of child labor and joining the Ethical Trading Initiative. Now, over to my colleague, Andrea.
Thank you, Wesley. So recent developments in the Eurozone have significantly affected the euro, and the rising interest rates have put extra pressure on costs. In the UK, unemployment is rising, so the added pressure of keeping costs low to the consumer is a constant concern. It's surprising to learn that there are no online shopping facilities for Primark, and they keep high fashion stock current with technological advances to speed up production. The question is, how do they keep their prices so low? Is it at the cost of cheap overseas labour? Ronnie.
Hi, I'm Ronnie and I'll be talking about Porter's 5 forces. The first force I'd like to talk about is supplier power. Suppliers have very little bargaining power because Primark are giants in the retail and fashion industry. They are easy to obtain, cheap to switch, and the materials they supply are not rare or distinctive. The supplier does not have enough capital in regards to finance and machinery to even compete with Primark on the products they sell. Next I'd like to talk about is buyer power. Primark have high buyer power, bargaining power, and often buy in bulk. This gives them a financial stronghold on these small suppliers, and they can also source internally. The two together could mean ethically detrimental results, as the combination could lead to underpaid workers, lower living standards, and even child labour. On to rivalry. Rivalry is fierce in the retail industry with compares like M&S, New Look, Topshop, Chris, etc. This is bad news for Primark. This is lower profit margins, similar products, and a lot more competitive pricing. However, this is good for the consumers because they get a great range of high fashion merchandise at low prices. And finally, substitutes. There are no substitutes for clothes. However, Primark should take into consideration the recent growth in online shopping and make this a part of their strategy. On to my colleague Alexandra.
My name is Alessandra and I'm going to cover the Primark SWOT analysis. First of all, a SWOT analysis made on Primark shows that the majority of stores are situated in high streets, which is beneficial to the company because there is loads of foot traffic. Secondly, Primark has international presence and sells low-priced products. In contrast to this is the weaknesses. The company's stores are usually overcrowded, which could lead to long queues. Furthermore, there is no online shopping facility available to offer convenience to customers, and the most controversial weaknesses is the poor ethical history. For instance, child labor and exploitation. One opportunity is that Primark could potentially expand its business worldwide. Another would be diversifying their products range and selling home products. And lastly, the lack of promotion and innovation might be a serious threat for Primark due to the constant competition in the market. Primark operates on the basics of the rational goal model, as the company focuses mainly on maximizing profits. We recommend the human relation model in order to help Primark improve its reputation against ethical issues. Thank you for watching.